Okay guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is pretty crazy. Ubisoft is literally right now on live support, and I'm not kidding you. So just literally last minute, Ubisoft delays the earning reports because I'm pretty sure they're pretty shit, and they halted trading 15 minutes before the release. This is crazy. So 50 minutes before the report was released, they literally said, no, we're going to delay it and stop the trading. Right now, the share price is at an absolute low of 6.77 euros, which is just absolutely disaster. As you can see here, it has been frozen, so you cannot trade anymore. Over the last month, it decreased by another 23%, which is crazy, from 8.9 euros to 6.77 euros. And over the last 6 months, it decreased even more, from 11 to 0.68 to 6.77. So an absolute bloodbath. It is just shocking how it went, like, from, it just, like, yeah, it's worth literally almost, soon is gonna be worth pennies, honestly, right? So this is it, guys. On November 13, Ubisoft postponed its first half financial fiscal year 25 to 26 earnings release by 15 minutes. This is, of course, the sales of AC Shadows, which you all know they were pretty mid. 50 minutes prior to the scheduled time, and requested a suspension of the trading for its shares and bonds on Euronext. The company stated that the results will be published in the coming days, with trading to resume, aiming to ensure fair disclosure and limit speculation. This move occurs amid Ubisoft's recent layoffs, project cancellations, and over 80% stock decline over 5 years, following a Tencent involvement in key franchises like Assassin's Creed and Rainbow Six. Abruptly, at the last minute, Ubisoft has halted trading of its shares and postponed its earnings calls today. This may suggest that material news about the company and its future trajectory is imminent. Now, of course, people are reacting like this. Ubisoft is literally dead. I mean, it's pretty obvious, right? I mean, look at this. Even Daniel Ahmad put a comment here. As you can see here, this is the announcement. Postponement of H1 financial year 25-26 results announcement. So yeah, postponement of the release. And do you guys remember about this, right? The PR spin versus the reality. This is it. This is it. They told us Assassin's Creed was doing well. Anybody who actually works in publishing knows how they spin press releases, but that didn't save Ubisoft. Look at this. Over 3 million players for Assassin's Creed Shadows. Oh my god, yes. Second highest day one sales revenue in Assassin's Creed franchise. Biggest Ubisoft day one ever on PlayStation Digital Store. Best community ever with over 40 million hours already played. This is all, why is this? This is all crap. This is all lies. This is all gaslighting, basically, because the overall sales of the game, I believe, it was revealed a couple of weeks ago. The game sold like 3 to 4 million copies, where usually for other Assassin's Creed games, they would have sold close to 8 to 10 million copies. So of course, it is just crazy. They are just being destroyed. Ubisoft delays earning report, halt share trading minutes before release. As you can see here, Ubisoft CFO, Ubisoft bankruptcy soon. Yeah, so I mean, they could file for bankruptcy. Literally, they could file for bankruptcy. Ubisoft CFO tells employees that the trading halt of stock is to limit unnecessary speculation. Right, when a company, okay, this is really important, guys. When a company suspends trading, this does not bode well. You only suspend trading when you know that you're fucked, that you are screwed effectively, you don't know what's going on, and if you release the results, people will just literally leave, like, instantly, right? Because I'm pretty sure, like, the financial results of Ubisoft are going to be pretty damn poor. They're going to be horrible, and yeah, as you can imagine, it's just gonna implode in their face. Yes, this could imply an acquisition of sorts, could also imply some accounting financial issues. Just remember to freak the F out the next few days and speculate as much as possible until they announce something. What happened to Ubisoft is not good. Of course, Ubisoft is just a shell now. They transferred all their good IPs to the new company with Tencent. I believe that we will see a winding up of this shell in some fashion, sale perhaps. So yeah, it's pretty bad for Ubisoft, man. It's really bad for Ubisoft, right? I mean, even when you say like to limit speculation, like it's just not. This is the message from the CFO. Let's read at his gaslighting message. Okay, let's go. This is crazy. So, hello everyone. I wanted to let you know that we are taking extra time to finalize the closing of the semester, and as a result, we will publish our first half earnings result in the coming days instead of tonight. Due to legal regulations, we cannot share more information with you at this time. To limit unnecessary speculation and market volatility during the short delay, we have asked Euronext to suspend the trading of our stock until the results are announced. We know this is likely to raise questions and drive media coverage. I encourage you all to listen to the conference call, which will be available via the investor section in our site, just after the results and released so that you have a more detailed view of our earnings. Thanks for understanding. Fred. Yeah, so pretty much, I mean, they're screwed. Like, that's it. This is the end. You cannot recover from this. You cannot recover. This is actually lower now, because now it's actually 6.77 euros. So, yeah, man, this is crazy. Yeah, Ubisoft also here postponed its quarterly financial report at the last minute and halt stock trading. We don't know what's going on, but something is definitely happening. My estimate, again, if you study the industry and know about how these things happen, the company is going to wind down. Like, the company has no future whatsoever because all the good IPs are gone in the new company created in together with Tencent, which is going to be a new company. So all the good IPs are gone. Far Cry, Assassin's Creed, right? So now the only thing left for Ubisoft is the shitty IPs, which they don't make the money anymore, and they don't have the money to make the new games because investors don't invest in them anymore, of course, because why would you invest if a company is dying in front of your eyes? So yeah, this likely means the other shoe is dropping. I meant it when I said Assassin's Creed Shadows was their life raft. Everything depended on it. With its muted performance, this likely means a full restructuration and a full Tencent buyout. Could be. Like, literally, could be that they are just fully sold to Tencent, and Ubisoft literally does not exist as a company anymore. It will just cease to exist as it is right now. Ubisoft halting its earnings report. Oh, it's got to be bad if they do that. But remember, guys, Assassin's Creed Shadows sold well, apparently. That's right, man. Yeah, it's crazy. But yeah, remember, someone's going to pay billions for this trash heap of a company when they could spend a fraction to develop the next Dispatch or Expedition 33. That's right. Yeah, I mean, problem is also, like, you have so much bloat in the company. Like, literally right now there's so much bloat inside Ubisoft that you just have to get rid of everyone, because like the company is compromised. It has too many activists, they have too many people who feel entitled in the company, too many middle management people, too many bosses who don't want to work. Like, there's so many people there in the company right now who literally have no meaning. Like, they have no business because they're not making games, they're just there to be activists. So yeah, it's pretty crazy, guys. Absolutely. They sold off a quarter of their biggest franchises to Tencent like 7 months ago. It cannot be this bad this fast. It will be, yes. Ubisoft update will publish and resume in their coming days. This may possibly hint at a big announcement for the company. Pretty much the company is dead. So yeah, crazy, guys. Ubisoft sounds utterly screwed. So guys, that's it for today's video on this one. Ubisoft is pretty much screwed. And remember, if you own a gaming company, stop hiring activists and focus on the games. It's as simple as that. As always, I shall see you later in the next videos. Bye.